So what motivated me to buy this home is I'm actually a second time home buyer, and I just enjoyed what I received from my first home, and this thing motivated me to buy a second home so I could reap the benefits of that, and also the fact that I was relocating from Norfolk, Virginia to Columbus, Ohio. So just having that new opportunity, new experience, new town encouraged me to buy a second home. I would say my favorite part is the ending process, the end result, knowing that I can finally, the closing date, knowing that I actually have access to the home. But I'd say one of my least favorite part is the underwriting, just knowing that all these different questions and where this money coming from, X, Y, Z. That was a very hesitant process, but at the end, I was just grateful that it ended and know this is my house and I was able to close. So that's my favorite part. The advice I would give to future home buyers is if you have it in your spirit to buy a house, I would do it. Because at the end of the day, only thing you're doing, this is a great benefit for yourself and for your family. A long time benefit as far as, say for example, if you get old and you retire and it's like, okay, I want to move into something else. You have something to pass down from generation to generation if that's what you would like to do. So I recommend taking advantage of, if you want to buy a home, buy a home.